Welcome back. Now it's possible that when you listen to your recording that you find that there is some kind of background noise that you want to remove from your recording. And you can do that inside of Audacity. What you're going to do is you're going to find a section with that background noise in it. We can expand the timeline and we can assume that we have found the area where the background noise occurs. And so we're going to select that specific section of our recording. What we're then going to do is to go to Effect. We're then going to go to Noise Reduction. What we're then going to do is we're going to get the noise profile. Audacity is going to collect a noise profile for us so that we can remove it from the entire recording. What we're then going to do is determine where in the recording we want to remove the noise. So in this case, we're going to shrink the size of our recording and we're going to select the entire recording. We've now selected the entire recording. We're going to go to Effect. We're now going to go back to Noise Reduction. Now you can preview the file by clicking this button as to how it's going to sound with the noise reduced. If you want to hear the actual sound that will be removed, you can toggle and click Residue. We're going to click back on Reduce, and assuming that you have previewed your file, we're then going to click OK. And Audacity will then do the noise reduction from our recording. What you will then want to do is you want to save your new project file, and you will then click Save. Audacity will then save your recording. In order to export and create the new file, you're then going to go to your file area. You will then go to Export. You will then export in the format that you want it to be. In this case, we're going to select MP3, and we're then going to click Save. Audacity will then show us the metadata, and if we choose not to add metadata, we're then going to click OK. And then Audacity will produce our new file that has been edited with the noise removed. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.